Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, lesson 8. The name of the chapter is The Changing Tree, part 2. So children, today we will do question answer and word meaning of this chapter. In our last video class, we read the story of Changing Tree. I, Ritu Bishramola, your English teacher, hope you all are good and safe at your home. So children, let's do the question answer and word meaning. So children, let's see the page number 9494. Making connections, quick answers. Number 1 is match the princess to the tree they saw. So children, here is given 4 different trees and the first prince saw which tree? So first prince saw number 3rd picture. It was bare and black. He went in the deep forest in the winter season. So he saw black and bare tree. So come to the number 2nd prince. 2nd prince saw red bird tree because he went in the forest in spring season. So match with the first picture. Come to the 3rd prince. The 3rd prince went in the forest in rainy season. So he saw green tree. The tree covered with the green leaves. And the 4th prince saw tree with the bean pod. So children, match with the 4th prince with the picture, 2nd picture. Children, let's do the word meaning in English 2 Mulberry notebook. So write today's date. It's 3/12/20. Name of the chapter is The Changing Tree, lesson number 8. Write on the top word meaning. Number first word is wonderful. The meaning of the wonderful is very good. Then number 2 is none of them. None of them means not even one of them. Come to the number 3. 3rd one is eldest. Eldest means oldest of 3. Now number 4 is chariot. Chariot is a vehicle pulled by horses. Number 5 is birds. It means small part of a plant from which flowers grow. Let's do the number 6. Bare. Bare means empty, not covered by leaves. So bare means not covered by leaves. Come to the number 7. Here the 7th number is youngest. Youngest means smallest in age. So let's do the number 8. Bean pods. Bean pods means long thin cases filled with seeds. Let's do the number 9. It's announced. Announced means said something loudly. So children, let's do the reference to context. Here is given one extract. Let's read the extract and try to find the answer. So extract is, none of them had ever seen a redbird tree, and each prince wished to be the first to see one. So children, who had not seen a redbird tree? So your answer must be 4 young princes had not seen a redbird tree. So children, 4 princes, when they heard the story of redbird tree, all of them wanted to see the redbird tree. So who had not seen a redbird tree? 4 young princes had not seen a redbird tree. Let's do the B part. Where was the redbird tree? So, your answer must be, the redbird tree was located deep into the woods. So, let's do the C part. What did each prince wish to do? So answer is, each prince wanted to be the first one to see the tree. When they heard the story of wonderful redbird tree, so each prince wished to be the first one to see the tree. So children, let's read the next extract. It is, when he came back from the woods, he ran into the garden where his brothers were playing and announced, I have seen the redbird tree. So A part, who had just seen the redbird tree? So children, in the last in the story, who had just seen the redbird tree? So your answer must be, the 4th prince had just seen the redbird tree. So let's do the B part. How many brothers did the speaker have? So your answer must be, the speaker had 3 brothers. There were the 4 princes. So one is the speaker, and the speaker had 3 brothers. So let's do the C part. What was on the redbird tree at this time? So your answer must be, the redbird tree had little brown bean pod at that time. So children, when the 4th prince went in the forest, so he saw little brown bean pods at that time. So what was on the redbird tree at this time? So at last the redbird tree had little brown bean pods. Now children, see the question number 4. In which season was the tree bare and black? So children, your answer must be, the tree was bare and black in winter season. When the first prince went in the forest, that time was winter season. So on that time the tree was bare and black. So the tree was bare and black in winter season. So let's do the question number 5. In which season did the tree match its name? So in which season did the tree match its name? So your answer must be, The tree matched its name in spring. Because in the spring, the tree have red bud. So its name match in spring season. So write, the tree matched its name in spring season. So let's do the question number 2. Question number 6. What color were the leaves during the monsoon? So your answer must be, the leaves were green in color during the monsoon. So let's do the question number 7. What do we learn about trees from the story? So by this story we learnt the trees are subject to the different season for their leaves and fruits. They are not similar in all season. The trees are subject to the different season for their leaves and fruits. Children, I hope now you understood all the question answers and word meaning. So now the homework is write neatly and learn word meaning and question answer in your English 2 notebook. We'll do the remaining exercise work in our next video class. So till then, bye-bye.